China coronavirus deaths rise to 490. Japan confirms 10 cases on cruise ship. NNPG's Alpha discuss ongoing peace negotiations with New Delhi. And Minister Karam Shyam extends monetary help to cyclist Rohan Film. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipuri English News. I'm Mandira, and now the news in detail. Deaths from coronavirus rose to 490 in mainland China, while new cases on a Japanese cruise ship in Hong Kong and elsewhere showed the increasing spread of the outbreak and renewed attention towards containing it. According to reports, 10 people from the cruise ship tested positive and were taken to hospitals, while all 3,700 crew and passengers on the ship will be quarantined on board for up to 14 days. In Hong Kong, hospitals workers are striking to demand the border with mainland China be shut completely to ward off the virus. The hospitals are cutting services as thousands of medical workers strike for a second day. All but 2 of Hong Kong's land and sea crossings with the mainland were closed, but 4 locally transmitted cases have been reported, indicating community transmission. The territory reported its first death and the second fatality outside mainland China, which has reported 490 deaths and more than 20,000 cases of the new coronavirus. After years of militancy, members of Naga national political groups, NNPGs, an umbrella group comprising 7 Naga rebel factions and the pro-Tox faction of the United Liberation Front of Assam, Alpha, met in Guwahati yesterday. Both groups discussed the future of the ongoing peace negotiation with the Indian government. National Socialist Council of Nagalim Reformation, NSCNR, Chairperson Wangtin Naga said the meeting was very fruitful and the 2 groups discussed many issues like socio-cultural exchange between Assamese and Naga people, according to sources. Talking about the ongoing peace talks with the government, Alpha Chairperson Arbinda Rajkhowa said both Alpha and NNPG are on the negotiating table with the centre and exchanged their views about the negotiations. He also said that both have a long history and share a bond of brotherhood. While the NSCNIM has been engaged in political dialogue with the government since 1997, the NNPGs came on board the negotiating table in 2017. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Shyam extended monetary help to cyclist Rohan Film prior to his fresh cycle tour from Delhi to Japan slated for February 16. The tour carries a message on the right of persons with disabilities, inclusion, respect and dignity. Talking to press in his chamber at Old Secretariat, Minister Karam Shyam said that people must support the unique cause of any individual. The minister assured of presenting Rohan with a special gift on his return from the trip. Shyam asserted that we must encourage such deeds. Rohan, who is currently pursuing MA in English from Sarda University, will be on his lone 7th cycle tour.
International level February 15 dagi 16 dagi Tauraga Japan Tana cycle Togune Sida Manipuri Hana Sukhangna Leraba the cyclist Rohenbo Manipur Miam the Sak Takpa do Hana Sutakre Mabu Puning Togatke the Manipurda Akoi Narol Sina Yam Tom Tinwina Masak Naiba Pabatabak Torpa Kanda Ekoi Leriba Gamen Aduga
Respect, dignity and love haiba sigi theme sida aina base tawjarakanda moibu khoina nungsi aduga government su yang mateng pangbiri praja khoin su makhoi gi damakta lei haiba sigi nungsina bagi paujel se pujarakanda Japan phawga chacharaga para Olympic games ta su haidi mayam dagi thona laura kanda sida la kanda khoi hantak aina pau tajaba da su ai maming di khangjadre adubu manipur dagi su pera olympic sarup ya kani na chatkadaba myo amasu lei na tai ma su aina si mamang ji chatringai mamang se personally una jara makanda koina ngamba moral support bina kan ai so ada jaraga maina support bijaba la ke na khoi gi manipur gi damak ta su aduga apun bagi damak ta su aina pangalo na paina sigi right se maina plan to.
Many of the meat shops in Jiribam district are unhygienic and run in bad condition, which could spread different types of diseases in the district. Ironically, the concerned department has not taken up any step to improve these unclean meat shops till date. As such, the residents seek the attention of the concerned authority towards the issue.
Koi stop ki checking party ama same laga koi numit kudingi adagi hapta kudingi asmaina chatuna sanga sing kakam sing se siga mapam pam da chatuna pam dagi fibam adagi karamba type ta kakli bano haibdo akoi ni yengsili
yamna kudong dinga ma sumba lena ka ama leibina sa ni kaiba no singa yamna mo
PHED Minister Losi Dikho today said that a society can be developed well if the topic on development is deliberated widely and everyone takes responsibility. He said this during the 100th anniversary celebration of Sardar Baptist Association, Manipur at Manpao Zingsho Baptist Church, SBA, Kangpokpi District. On the other hand, Sardar Baptist Association Steering Committee Chairman Angam Pamay said that the association was founded for the welfare of different sections of the society. He further said that all people should be united to work for the overall development of the society.
Gave me a very wonderful reception, even allowed me to sit on the front seat. Pastors, reverends are all behind me and I was put in front. So this is a great privilege. I'm told that in Mizoram, ministers and chief ministers, they don't sit in front, they sit in behind. And even in the US also people are doing like that. But here we are put in the front and then we feel embarrassed.
Masigi jubligi pandam asi ekhoi tungan ba jati rosu ekhoi Manipur da lairi ba jati tungan khama khaktani nungsi chana na ekhoi hujik ge saron suron da khaktana te lagdori ba saron suron da phawda jati am khaktagi wakhan da khallaga nungsi chana na pamina ba nungsi chana ba laimina ba adugba Manipur state am oise haibisi ekhoi gi masigi jubilee gi pandam oina.
Muhammad Shahid of Yaripok, Changamjabi, Makhalekai, the suspect in Washima murder case was produced before the Court of Judicial Magistrate First Class, Imphal West, which remanded him to police custody for 7 days. A large number of people, including family members of Washima, protested outside the court complex, condemning the incident and demanding justice. Additional security measures were put in place by Imphal West Police to prevent any untoward incident. 19-year-old Washima, a resident of Yaripok, Tulihal, Mayalekai, was found brutally murdered on 28th of January inside a fish pond at Irong Salam. 3 people were injured in a car accident this morning. The accident took place near Sangai Khongzom Bazar along Imphal More Road when 2 Maruti 800 cars had a head-on collision. The injured were immediately taken to Thawal District Hospital. They are stated to be out of danger, but the 2 cars were badly damaged in the incident. The injured were identified as Kuman Pol, aged 33, son of late K. Panasing from Thawal Awang Lekai, Loitongbam Ratan, aged 30, son of L. Babu Singh from Thawal Kiam Sifai, and Sorokhaibam Ojoy Kumar, aged 25, son of S. Ibomcha from Tenta Kunjau, Naurim Lekai, a report said. Yaol, Manipur today organized a one-day discussion program on the theme Open Mic at the Conference Hall of DM College of Arts, Imphal. During the session, role of youth and their issues were discussed beside measures for the progress of the society.
We know that everyone has stress ko aduga mental health semina like haidi anaba sidi akoina sum like hida khara charaga natraga keno test khara tawraga khange ba but kokki anaba hai sidi akoina uba ngamde ba aduna akoina moiga wari sana thoga stress si kaino emotion gi khena ba feelings haiga emotion ga thought ka kari khenai adugaina adugumba degi khoida kamaina noi cope up tawi kai kai problem lei siuma matang da akoina discussion ngasi session.
Class boycott and sit-in protests continued in government colleges for the 3 consecutive days today. On invitation by the government, Fagokta leaders met the Education Minister, Commissioner and Director of Higher Education. The meeting had a detailed and productive discussion on the implementation of 7th UGC Pay and Regulations 2018, sources said. Time now for a short break, but coming up next. Dr. A.R. Priyakumar wins International Award. Stay tuned for more.
This new year, 2020, Lamjingba Group is coming up with a new project for the people called Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited. Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute will be at your service from 7 February 2020. Our vision is to be the leading hospital in the region transforming healthcare. And our mission is to deliver quality, patient-centric healthcare at an affordable price.
Marks Time Classes. Chahi khudingi leptana topar puthokliba CBSE gi amatangairaba coaching center. Well experienced teaching faculty. Akhanaba subject opt tawbagi khudong chaba piri. Batch amada 15 students agi hena logjade. Admission form thazare. Form pishin bagi aroiba matam February 10. Akupa marol gidamak lengsun biraksi Marks Time Classes. Wangkai mahubom lampak. Phone number 9436288300 natraga 7005268735.
Welcome back. Dr. A.K. Priyakumar has been conferred the International Royal Personality Award by the Global Achievers Foundation and International Business Council, New Delhi, for his contribution in the field of education and research. Dr. A.K. Priyakumar is also the member of Indian Solidarity Council, New Delhi. The award was presented to him by the former Deputy Prime Minister of Thailand, Korn Dabaran, at the International Summit on Award Presentation Ceremony. Indo-Thai Friendship Summit 2020 held at Hotel Holiday in Ceylon, Bangkok on February 1st. Notably, Dr. Priyakumar was also awarded the Hind Ratan Award 2020 at the international conference held at Pravasi Bharatiya Kendra, Delhi, which was organized by NRI Welfare Society of India, New Delhi. All Assam Manipuri Students Union Central Committee today observed the first foundation day of the 3 Kanglasha pillars erected in memory of Manipuri martyrs at Laishramkun under Patharkhandi in Kachar district of Assam. The event was attended by MSU Central Committee Vice President Ngasepam Sanahal, Karimganj District Committee President Laishram Bir, along with elders of the area. The memorial pillars were inaugurated on this day of 2019 under the aegis of MSU Karimganj District Committee. Lingai, the traditional festival of Kabui community in Manipur, will be celebrated on 7th and 8th of February in all Kabui villages across the state. This was informed by Manipur Kabui Union President Dr. K. Hira Kabui during a press conference this morning at Kashamthum Kabui Community Hall, Imphal. He said that Lingai festival comes after the Gangai festival. Dr. Hira added that traditional song and dances will be the main attraction of the upcoming 2-day-long festival. He urged all to come and participate in the festival.
Competitive amoiba city de Lebanina, Tabaika, Achinbam Amoina, Mayam de Kara, Lapung Nabum, Wede, Anumachi, Lingai have to Kabui Purupki, Achengba, Lagi Haktagi. Puchilakpa Kaiba Yadaba Equiki Cultural Festival Amakakni Haiba Wahichi Tabjagi Hadna Press Complaint Meambo Kaujabani.
The Central Executive Council meeting of Zilagrom United Front was held at Dilung Council headquarters today. ZUF Chairman Zengshui Kamai and many top officials were present in the meeting. For the smooth functioning of the organization, the ministry was reshuffled, even from the outfit said today. The meeting resolved that Zengshui Kamai will continue to lead the organization as the chairman of the front, and in addition to that, he will also hold the post of defense and chief of Army Zilagrom Tiger Force ZTF, while Aingong Ramroy will also remain as the finance in charge of the front until further notice. The Zilagrom United Front appealed to the Zilagrom community for continuing their support to the outfit and work together with the newly appointed leaders. 2013 male police constable candidates in waiting list today staged a protest in Haubum Marak, Kasham Laikai Community Hall, demanding appointment letters of the 200 candidates. Taking part in the protest, spokesperson of the candidates in waiting list, T.H. Pradeep, said that the current government declared results of the 2013 DPC, but the fate of the 200 candidates is still uncertain. They appeal to the government to bring a solution to the matter by February 15.
DPCG ko 2013 da Congress government ngi matamda tawkhibane adubo Congress government haidokta thanbiramba do ngasigi lenga asina BJP government yam pukchan chauna honorable CM na haidok piduna akhoi awa mayam kohan pheki adubo ngasi maksu watching list le horiba khoi chani amadi masigi imung manung ngasri ngasi phawo am wana leiri aduna honorable CM na machane manau ne khanbiduna akhoi bu amuta nungsibiduna lenga asigi law and order da ngakpada khoi bu saruk ya hanbiu haibase honorable puning CM ge puning sinjari.
In connection with the killing of Pukrimayum Abdul Halim alias Ningthem of Kiamgai, who was shot to death allegedly by PULF militants in 2004, the KCP PWG today tendered apology to the family of late Abdul Halim and clarified that the incident had happened due to some misunderstanding. KCP in a press release also urged the public to extend support to PULF. Another short break.
Medilena pung kunmari chupna adongi yumda medical oxygen thinba lakpada natana installation tawwa yabagi khudong chaba pijari masita natana darkar laiba oxygen regulator amadi makhal khudingmaki oxygen mask na singba puraktuna miyamgi mateng pangjari
loin anab singa mari leinaba makhal khudingmaki medical equipment sing foldable bed suction machine regulator monitor nebulizer wheelchair amadi oximeter na chingba leiba amadi waiba yabagi khudong chaba pijari adom sunga sima call tawduna tanabiu aikhogi contact number 9205987988 amadi play store da changbiduna Medillion F download tabiu.
Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details, please contact the Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center, Hatta New Chekon Road.
Welcome back. Muhurat of Manipuri feature film Mairik was held today at Lamjingbatomtv in Imphal. The event was attended by Chairman of Film Forum Manipur S. Mongo Jau Singh, Vice President Birendra Salam and filmmaker L. Surjakanta Sharma. Mairik is the first film of Beer Film Productions and is based on the crimes currently occurring in the state. The story and the screenplay is written by Binoranjan Yumnam and Soma Lashram. Japalina and Avi are in the lead roles. Chairman of Manipur Film Forum S. Mongo Jau urged the Manipuri film fraternity to value time and to respect each other in the profession.
Beer Film Production ki ahan ba oigidoriba film asida koi Kevidasna direction pini habis da moda nuai ba ma phawi moisi oi jepilera oi ti kharbo ngang ni soma kumba gokul kumba bala ka se moi hana gi ni search na taba makhal ki kharthuga iraga experiment se to ning ebo madungam ba script writer screenplay writer and then director se tholo ko mathong tare adu lone na kariyamo producer madu to godam ni ai gi paisa hanjan ba hanjan da khandi ganu madu ko mahaw ma pino mo hona sikai yam thongna phana thok producer gi mathong tare.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Parliament today announced the formation of a trust for the construction of a Ram temple in Ayodhya as directed by the Supreme Court in its landmark verdict in the Ram Janmabhoomi Babri Masjid case November last. The PM said that he is happy to announce that in the cabinet meeting held today, morning decided to take up the significant decisions on the Ayodhya trust. As per the orders of the Supreme Court, we have set up a trust. The Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirtha Kshetra will be the name of the trust. It will be an independent body, the PM added. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said the trust would comprise 15 members, including a Dalit representative who would be in charge of the entire 67-acre land. In its historic judgment on November 9, the Supreme Court had directed the central government to formulate a scheme with necessary provisions for the setting up of a trust with a board of trustees or any other appropriate body. A major fire erupted in a parking, engulfing a series of fuel tankers along National Highway 39 close to Assam-Nagaland border yesterday. The incident created panic among the residents of the area as over 100 fuel tankers bound for the state of Manipur are parked on this stretch every day. 2 fuel tankers were burnt to ashes while 3 other tankers parked in the vicinity were partially burnt as firefighters rushed to the spot. According to reports, preliminary investigation conducted by the local police and the fire service department sleuths hints a possible fuel theft racket active in pilfering fuel from the tankers. Police recovered a pump motor and an electric extension board from the burn site. Now we have the sports news. Team Manipur won the overall championship title of the 10th Junior Mr. India 2020 National Bodybuilding Championship held at Amalapuram, East Godavari in Andhra Pradesh from February 1 to 2. The state team bagged 3 gold and 2 bronze medals. Melson NK bagged the Junior Mr. India 2020 title in 75 kg category. AMBBA members along with parents and well-wishers received the team at the Imphal airport today. Talking to TOMTV, NK Melson expressed gratitude to all who have supported him.
Yam Tazade Shada Heidi Shada Pramanga Zamani, Aina Kalubado, Heidi, Hoi Go Logan Canbanado, Smanaka. It has no pong was yam, Harawe, do some Managa Mayano, Opina Tobiram, but as in one of the Pramanga Zamana, Yanuai, the Matang de Zucano again, Kali.
Imphal Municipal Corporation IMC Ward Number 3 Corporator Hijam Nutan Chandra has urged the state government to initiate welfare schemes for veteran players who had won medals and brought laurels to the state. He was addressing a reception ceremony for veteran player Kongrelatpam Shyama Devi held at his Thangmaiband Thingel residence. Shyama Devi won a bronze medal at the 21st Asia Masters Athletes Championship in Malaysia, Kuching. Ward Number 2 Corporator T.H. Purnachandra and Ward Number 4 Corporator L. Aren Kumar were also present at the occasion. Health cards were also distributed to around 450 people living below poverty line in Ward Number 3.
Ahal oijalaba sigumba mon international ki thakta amadi national ki thakta masama gold medal niput nipang thakta lawraba sigumba ahal kaya Manipur laiba sida sigumba veteran gi sigumba masai chahi yankai helaba aduga humpu churaba makoi kaya na ngasi channel Manipuri mingchat India wi mingchat poraiba sisu sarkar gi site gi initiative case award khasitang bihaning be apama phongdok chari paliba honorable Mr. Bian Lusing sarkar asna athuba matamda veteran sanaroi athlete sing asibo sanaroi sing asibo sarkar gi apikpa initiative award khaka pibiu haibo pham sima ai hambal apil tawjari.
On the third day of the ongoing 13th Jury Cup Invitation Football Tournament at Jiribam High Secondary School Playground, PFC Faitol today defeated Mar Mongoloid FC by 6-0 in the preliminary knockout match. Chiru FC will lock horns with UJB Markolin tomorrow. The tournament is organized by All Jiribam Sports Association AJSA. Now the top news headlines once again. China coronavirus deaths rise to 490 Japan confirms 10 cases on cruise ship. NNPG's Alpha discuss ongoing peace negotiations with New Delhi. And Minister Karam Shyam extends monetary help to cyclist Rohan Film. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur for more updates.